In this session we shall see the processing of survey data obtained from total station survey with GPS technology. The instrument GPS, Global Positioning System, is based on satellite technology. If the survey is done with surveyors TM, transverse marcator, coordinates, then data in TM coordinates are not applicable universally by the user, for example the contractor. So the drawing and data available in TM coordinates are to be converted to UTM, Universal Transverse Marcator, coordinates. The conversion is possible in heads range of products to make DXF files and next, in KMZ or KML files by using other programs like Global Mapper. The KML or KMZ drawings may be superimposed on Google satellite images to view the existing land use and merits or demerits of construction or development options. Head site processes survey data available from total station, auto level, bearing line, robotic total station, traverse by GPS and compass survey, and develops ground model, digital terrain model, DTM, by DeLandre triangulation, ground contours at user-given primary and secondary intervals, ground long and cross sections, 3D surface with color rendering, preparing survey base plan drawings by digital mapping by using the CAD engine of head site. As the main screen opens, use File menu to select Set Working Folder. Next, select Folder Work located on the desktop. Next, select Menu Item File, then New Workspace Design, and then New/Open Survey Application. Processing of total station survey data. As the workspace opens, select tab Total Station. The current selected tab is Create Project. For processing users' data, user needs to click on button New Project, with the project name say, Job Number 1. The project folder will be created inside the working folder as Work, Survey Applications, Total Station, Design Job Number 1. Next, user will be asked to select the user's total station survey data file. A copy of the file will be brought into project folder Design Job Number 1 to process. Click on button Open Tutorial Example Data. As the message comes, click on button OK. The project folder will be created inside the working folder as Work Survey Applications Total Station Survey with total station data, and a copy of the total station survey data file survey.txt will be brought into project folder Survey with total station data to process. Next, select the tab Survey Data. The data in the total station survey data file must be made available in the following format and saved as a text file. For example, survey.txt, which can be opened in Notepad. It has 5 columns of data. When a data record with serial number 0 is met, as after serial number 10, then it discontinues the last feature and reads a new feature, from serial number 11, in the ground model. The above data may be either in surveyor's transverse marcator, TM, coordinates, or in Universal Transverse Marcator, UTM, coordinates. If the data is in TM coordinates, then these are to be converted into UTM coordinates. GPS coordinates in UTM values for easting, X, and northing, Y, are to be taken at 2 locations where the TM coordinates for easting, X, and northing, Y, are already taken by the surveyor based on the temporary reference point with assumed values for easting, X, and northing, Y. The GPS coordinates with UTM values at these 2 locations where surveyor's coordinates with TM values are also available, will enable head site to convert all points of total station data in TM coordinates into UTM coordinates. Ground modeling. Tab Survey Data is now selected. Under this tab another tab Ground Modeling is opened. Check mark is put for option UTM, Universal Transverse Marcator, Data Conversion. Click on button Create Ground Model. The message comes. Click on button OK. Next, the dialog box comes to convert survey data in UTM as per the GPS data obtained against the survey data at any two locations. Click on button OK. Next, the Process dialog box comes. Click on button Proceed. The survey data is converted to UTM coordinates and the message comes. Click on button OK and click on button Finish. As the process is over, the names of all the survey features are listed, as shown below. We click in the color box of each feature and we select the desired color for each feature. Click on button Apply and the color is set for the feature. User can remove the check mark from a feature. If we want to deselect the feature, say P0 to exclude it from the drawing of the ground model. Next, click on button Draw at the bottom of the left panel of the workspace. By digital mapping, the features are drawn with the selected color. On right side CAD window, we can save the drawing of the ground model either as DWG or DXF, but in unauthorized version any saving of drawing file is not possible. Triangulation. Select tab Triangulation. Select all the survey features by clicking on button Select All. Next, click on button Create Triangulation Model. The dialog box comes to start the process. Click on button Proceed to process for triangulation. As the process is over, the message comes. Click on button OK. The files HDS001.fill, HDS000.fill and contour.fill are created in the project folder. Contours. Select tab Contour. The model name, string label, and increments for primary, secondary and text are set with default names and values. If the ground is of flat nature, then user has to reduce the primary contour increment as 0.5 or 0.1 to get contours for the relatively flat ground. The secondary contour increment is always 5 times of increment of the primary contours. Texts for contour elevations are displayed on the secondary contours. Click on button Create Contour Model. The dialog box comes to start the process. Click on button Run. As the contour window opens, primary C001, secondary C005 and elevation text ELEV strings under model contour are created. Click on button Save, located at the top bar. Next, select yellow color icon for contour from bottom bar of the screen as shown and click on button Quit to close the contour window. Next, we are back to the workspace once again. Click on button Draw Contour Model. To draw the contour model and the contours are displayed. By clicking button for zoom in, an enlarged view of the contours over the ground model may be displayed. This is the end of the session for processing of total station survey data by creating UTM conversion, ground model, triangulation to create digital terrain model, DTM, and contours.